You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buongiorno. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of these DOC or appellation from Italy. We'll be looking at how to say more Italian wine names too. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Verdicchio, Verdicchio. So you want to stress on that K syllable and the D syllable. Verdicchio, you could say it in English. Verdicchio dei Castelli, Castelli di Jesi. So overall, that's how they would say it in Italy. Verdicchio dei Castelli di Jesi. Verdicchio dei Castelli di Jesi. So in English, Verdicchio dei Castelli di Jesi. You could say it, right? Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support, it helps a lot. Thanks for that. And more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations and wine pronunciations. If you love wine, you found the right channel. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.